What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the 2023 Dodge Charger RT, and this car has been awesome so far. I love it inside and out. It's super aggressive on the outside, on the inside super comfortable with my cool seats, and this custom interior looks like really good, protecting the seats. But today we're going to be installing side skirts to match the front splitter that I have. They're the SRT Performance ones. Yeah, we're just gonna be, it's a quick install, so we're just gonna go through it. I'm gonna go into the garage. We gotta raise the car up, we gotta do some maintenance, we gotta change the oil and check something with the exhaust valves, but then we'll get right into the side skirts. So let's skip to the garage and get things going. Alright, so you figure out which side goes front. Like, you got these lines. This goes to the front, so the wider side goes to the front of the car. And then this piece attaches. This is two pieces. And there's 3 holes underneath. It's going to attach these two. That goes with the smaller screws. And then you have 14 of the bigger self-taps to put all along. So we have the double-sided tape to put around like the little ledge here. So we're gonna clean this up, put this double-sided tape, and we're only gonna peel it in certain parts. We're gonna like align it all up nicely. We're gonna put probably like the self-tap here to hold it, one in the middle and one over there. Once we see it's all aligned and good to go, then we'll peel off the tape and put the rest of the self-tappers in. So let's see how that goes. So we have it all lined up, a little jack there, you can see. So now we're gonna drill some little pilot holes before putting the screws. Right, so now that we got those two holding, we're just gonna go all the way down, do some pilot holes, and then finish it up. Oh, this looks really good. Really good and really easy to do. Once we get it out and down, we'll see how it looks. But this looks really good. Side skirts always make the car look so much more aggressive. But we're gonna do the other side. Like I said, it's pretty simple. Just gotta clean it up, put double-sided tape. And then we drill pilot holes just because it makes it easier when you put the screws in. But let's put the other side on and then we'll get it outside and check it out. And boom, just like that. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Looks so good, so good. Let's finish up some maintenance that I'm doing. I'll get it down and we'll see it outside. So we have the SRT Performance front splitter and now the side skirts, and it just makes the car look so good, so aggressive. I mean, this car already looks like so good. Stock, just a little bit lower now, with some aero, black hood. Looks really good, sounds good, super comfortable. See how it looks in the shade a little bit. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Sounds good, huh? right, there you have it. Extreme Online Store side skirts. They're SRT Performance. If you want to check them out, I'm going to put a link in the description. And you know, if you like the video, please smash the like button. Let us know in the comments what you think. And yeah, car looks great. I love it. So see y'all later. Peace.